Hi, Les. A little bird told me that you're retiring again. Jane and I want to express our appreciation to you for all the great work that you've done for the Lord over so many years. You've worked hard in Liberia, in Ethiopia, and in the United States. We had the privilege of working side by side with you over these last few decades, actually. And you worked hard in the personnel department and in the candidate department, and most recently in the church partnering department. We have always appreciated you very much. We've appreciated your humor, your wise leadership, and your dear friendship. Now, I can't go on very much more because my time is limited, and there are two other people that would like to pass on their greetings and congratulations to you as well. Here's the first. Hello, Mr. Unruh. This is Varney Zimidandai from Cape Mount County, Liberia. I was talking to Mr. Joe Wankole, and a man tell me that you coming to sit down now. You getting to be an old man, and you want to sit down and rest small. Well, you know, I want to thank you too much, Mr. Unruh, for the plenty good thing that you show me. You help me to understand 8 o'clock like the same way I know 4 o'clock. Then again, you teach me some good proverbs. One of them proverbs is empty bag can't stand. Again, the other one is before good food wait, let belly bust. Thank you too much, Mr. Unruh. And the last thing I want to say to you, my Christmas on you. Oh. Now here's the third person that wants to pass on congratulations to you. Hello, Lester. This is Levi Stoltzfus from Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. What's all this talk I hear about you retiring again? It seems like just a little while ago that Fanny and myself got in our little horse and buggy and we went all the way down there to North Carolina to take part in your last shindig down there. Well, I just don't understand why you want to do it. There's so many things to do in the world. And did you just get tired of being retired? And then you got tired of that, so you went back to work again, and now you're retiring again. I just can't understand it. You know, look at me. I'm 145 years old, and I'm just getting started. Well, Mr. Unruh, I want to pass on my congratulations to you. And if you ever get bored of being retired, what you can do, you can come up here to Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. You can help me pick strawberries and also help me in the barn. Now, you got to be careful where you step, if you know what I mean. Well, Les, doesn't matter what accent that you use, it's appropriate for us to pass on our congratulations to you and to Verla for a job well done. May the Lord bless you and continue to use you in your new adventures.